Hello viewers, how you? Hopefully you are fine. After a long time, my new indicator is now live, and you can see the results. Results is really amazing one. Here you can see you got the sell signal. You got the sell signal. This signal is unfortunate, did not give you the profit, but here you can see the second sell signal, and hopefully the both signal will give you the profit. Okay, here you can see it is giving you accuracy of around 85%. 85%, that mean out of 10 signal, you can say 100 per signal, 85 signals are profitable. We got around 176 signal, in which 149 signals are successful. Here we go. You can see sell signal, sell signal, sell signal, sell signal, and close the trade. One, two, three, and four. Four trades consistently give you a very good profit. Okay, and here you can see buy signal. It gave a very good profit. Short signal, and it gave a very good profit. The buy signal, it gave a very good result. Short signal, it gave a good result. Buy signal, unfortunately, did not give you a very much good profit, but the short signal and short signal now hopefully will give you a very good results. Okay, here you can see this is my new indicator. You can check the results in different pairs like euro usd. Here you can see buy signal is giving you accuracy 100% non-repeated, 100%. 77% accuracy in the GBP USD. Let's see. Here we got the more recent buy signal, and it is giving you accuracy of around 79%. Okay, in the USD chef, let's see. This is the most recent buy signal, and it's give amazing one profit. And here you can see the profit is around 80%. Okay, and you can see the results in some other pairs like GPB, JPY, and 78% accuracy. That's actually very good one accuracy. And if you want to see the results in some other pairs like crypto, BTC, BTC 81%, Ethereum, and you can see the results in the Ethereum as well. Solana and XRP, ADA, BNP. You can check the results in different time frame according to your requirement, and it will give you a very good. Okay, that's actually very good signal. 84% accuracy in the BNP 3-minute time frame. You can check the different time frames as well. For example, we check the results in 5-minute time frame. 85, 86%. That's actually very awesome. Okay, 86%. Okay, that's actually out of 10. Almost 9 signals are profitable out of 10. That actually is really amazing. In the BNP, out of 10 signal, almost 9 signals are profitable. That mind blowing. That really awesome. Okay, and here we can see the results in the gold. Let me show you the results in gold in higher time frame. In the gold it is giving you accuracy of around 82%. That's actually good one. Out of 10, 8 signals are profitable. Okay, and in the 15-minute time frame or 2 3-minute time frame in the gold, it is giving you accuracy 85%. That's really amazing. Okay, and in the 1-minute time frame in the gold, it is giving you accuracy. Let me show you 81%. That's a fine. Out of 10, that's mean 8 signals are profitable, and you can see the results. A really amazing one. Sell signal, buy signal, sell signal, buy signal, buy signal, buy signal, buy signal, and you can see the results. And sell signal profitable, you can see the results is really good one. Okay, buy signal and buy signal profit book, and short signal, buy signal, and so on. Okay, in the 15-minute time frame, let's see. Hopefully, we will get the better results. Maybe, yeah, 80% accuracy. That's fine. Okay, that's fine. Okay, here we go, and that's really awesome. This is the mind blowing indicator. uh, which give you almost 80 to 90% accuracy in different time frames and in different periods. Okay, so hopefully you will love this, and if you need this you can contact me. Let me show you my contact details here. These are my contact details. If you need this indicator you can contact me on my WhatsApp, Telegram or Gmail. Write one at the end if you want to contact me my Telegram, and Gmail simple hoga @gmail.com. If you are old user then of course you already know my contact details. If you are new user then remember, write one at the end if you want to contact me my Telegram, because there are some fake Telegram channels, so you need to be aware and do not join any fake Telegram channel. Hopefully you will love this one, and let me show you some more details here. In the crypto pairs, I received a request from the people. He was PP, he was trading in the PP I think, and in the PP 75% accuracy this indicator is giving you. Okay, that's fine actually. Okay, and if you need this indicator, yes, you can contact me on WhatsApp. Contact details, WhatsApp, Telegram or Gmail, and hopefully you will love this one. Any further query or any question, yes, you can ask me for the next video. Bye bye, take care.